Well, I don't have any editing skills, so I'll post the recipe for the bottle milk for these little runts and frozen rejects that occur if you're raising pigs. The Ultra 24 multi-species milk replacer, it's good, but we have raised multiple pigs with just it after the initial colostrum. Colostrum for the first day per what's on the bag, but these volumes that are in the recommendation don't end up working. We've ended up with piglets that obviously don't make it, that start in similar shape to the ones that do make it. And what we've changed is we do the similac, whatever that word is, and we do switch to pan feeding a bit. So we'll do a little bottle feeding every 4 to 6 hours, stretching it to 6 to 8 hours, you know, towards the end of the second week. And given the pan feeding after they kind of start messing around with the bottle, because a lot of times they can't just drink the larger quantities in one drinking. So these are the two products we use. We use them at roughly 50% for the similac, and it seems to stabilize the milk replacer to get a piglet to get to where you can wean them. I'll put the quantities in the comments, but we also switched to using these kitty litters. If you tape that down, she won't mess with it as much. Apparently I need to tape it down. For a while she was behaving, but we use 1 ounce right now. She's at a week. We're using 1 ounce for the similac, and then 2 fluid ounces of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of the milk replacer. And we'll be scaling up at that same ratio as she gets bigger, and then starting to add in food and then scaling down, hopefully by about 4 weeks to wean her and get her back outside. In this case, the sow, or gilt that turned to a sow, did not do so well. None of the other piglets made it. This is the only one that was alive when I found them. So we're doing the bottle feeding. Just something in your bathtub every 4 to 6 hours that needs fed, cleaned, and eventually can go back out.